Tired of messing with complicated wiring? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're diving deep into the best smart thermostats of 2024 that work without a C-wire. Get ready for easy installation, smart features, and ultimate comfort in your home. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. ecobee 3 Lite Smart Thermostat. When it comes to the best smart thermostats, two names often dominate the conversation: ecobee and Nest. Leading the pack is the ecobee 3 Lite Smart Thermostat, celebrated for its intelligent features and affordable price. It even includes a power extender kit, making it compatible with homes lacking a C-wire. The ecobee 3 Lite leverages extensive research to offer a seamless way to manage your home's climate from anywhere. It allows you to easily set daily programs and customize them by time. Additionally, it uses your phone's GPS to detect when you're not home, automatically adjusting to reduce energy usage during those periods. Number 2. Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat. The Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat may lack some of the advanced features found in the Sensi Touch Smart Thermostat, but it compensates with its budget-friendly price and ease of use. It features a straightforward display, prominently showing the temperature, and allows for basic settings adjustments directly on the unit. However, the best way to control it is through the app. A C-wire is optional, but required for specific configurations like heat-only systems. For most conventional HVAC systems, it's unnecessary, as the unit can be powered by 2 AA batteries. This setup ensures the thermostat remains operational even when you're not home. The design of the Sensi Lite may appeal to some for its simplicity, though others might find it bland. It lacks certain sensors such as occupancy detection, but the app uses GPS to determine if you are home. While the app can be somewhat buggy when adjusting schedules, it provides a low-cost solution for managing your HVAC system effectively. Number 3. ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. ecobee's latest smart thermostat builds on the success of its predecessors, supporting up to 32 room sensors, making it ideal for homes with multiple zones. In his review, Chris Weddle praised its stunning titanium-wrapped display and compatibility with most smart assistants. This updated thermostat features built-in Alexa and Siri voice controls, boasting impressive mics and a speaker, allowing you to adjust the temperature with just a few words. It can also function as a smart speaker, although it doesn't support Google Assistant. Additionally, it includes a built-in air quality sensor to ensure you breathe clean air. The included power extender kit enables installation in homes without a C-wire, eliminating the need for extra purchases. While it comes with a higher price tag, this thermostat offers nearly everything you could ask for. It even displays video feeds from ecobee's security cameras and the ecobee Smart Doorbell camera, adding another layer of convenience and functionality. Number 4. Google Nest Learning Thermostat. The Nest Learning Thermostat remains a top contender in the smart thermostat market, known for its intelligence and versatility. It supports multiple zones, learns your schedule, integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant, and monitors your HVAC system. Additionally, it features a built-in sensor to detect if you're home, optimizing energy usage by running the system only when needed. Its unique circular design, available in 7 finishes, is aesthetically pleasing. However, mastering the various twists, turns, and presses for control can take some time. Fortunately, the accompanying app is user-friendly and connects to Nest Renew, providing insights into how your HVAC system impacts your energy usage and the environment. A potential issue is power cycling if installed without a C-wire. Google offers a Nest Power connector as a substitute for consistent power, but it may not be compatible with every home. While all Nest thermostats are generally reliable enough to try without a C-wire, it's wise to keep your receipt just in case. Number 5. Sensibo Air. For those without central air but still wanting climate control, the Sensibo Air is a perfect solution. It controls your window or mobile AC units, allowing you to set schedules or specific temperatures via Wi-Fi. Additionally, it integrates with Echo or Google Home for voice commands. Installation is hassle-free. Simply plug it in, connect to your home Wi-Fi, and ensure line of sight to your AC or heater. Using IR technology, like your unit's remote, it communicates seamlessly. The app offers insights into energy usage, remote control from anywhere, and scheduling features. However, there may be occasional compatibility issues where your AC is set to Fahrenheit, but Sensibo Air controls it in Celsius. It's a minor inconvenience, but worth noting. All right, need a recommendation? After testing them all, the ecobee 3 Lite Smart Thermostat will take the crown in 2024. It offers fantastic features at an affordable price, with a handy power extender kit for no C-wire setups. But don't forget to check out the other options for your specific needs.